Okay, here we go. We are ready for math. We are doing order, time, and event. So we're going to put them in order. So, like, what's the first thing you do in the morning? Wake up. What's the next thing? Get out of bed. What's the next thing? Eat my breakfast or get dressed. So, putting things in order just means first, next, last. Okay, so that's all it means. So, what is this first row showing? It looks like maybe she's getting ready to go to bed. So, what do you think happens first? Brushes her teeth, gets a story read, or falls asleep. It's pretty easy. She brushes her teeth, and that's at 7 o'clock, so you're going to put a 1. The next thing she does is have a bedtime story, so that is a 2. And the last thing, she falls asleep. So you notice the time is 7, 7:30, 8 o'clock. So the time is also in order. It starts at the earliest, and then it goes to the latest time. So let's look at the next picture. What's happening? Maybe she's at school. So we have her pledging allegiance. That's what she's doing. And then they are in line to go home. And then she is eating lunch. So which one would come first? Let's look at the times. 8 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 12 o'clock. Which one of those comes first in the day? Well, I know there's an 8 o'clock in the morning and there's also an 8 o'clock at night. Is she in the night or the day? She's in the day. I'm sure you are already rushing ahead with this. So 8 o'clock will be the first thing she does when she gets to school. Then does she go home first or eat lunch? 12 o'clock, that's noon. So that's what she does next. And then after 12 o'clock comes 3 o'clock, and that's when she goes home. Okay, so we have put those events in order. All right, it says number the events in order. So we've got people on a boat. We've got people getting on a boat. I cannot tell what is going on in these pictures. All right, I can see what's happening. The first picture is they're on the boat fishing. The next boat is the daddy is helping him get off of the boat. The last picture is they are getting onto the boat. Okay? So which one comes first? Getting onto the boat, fishing, getting off of the boat. All right, so I just couldn't tell what was happening in those pictures. Okay? The next one is making a piece of toast. So first you start out with jam, then you get the bread out, and then you toast it. Is that what happens? Nah. All right, what happens first? This is an easy page. First you got to have the bread, then you got to toast it, then you got to put the jam on it, and then you got to eat it. So this is just like our expositories. Okay? First, second, next. First, next, last. Alright, so on the back, you are doing the same thing. You are putting the events in order on number 1 and number 2. Then you are going to write the time down. And then it's time to review money. Alright, I think you can do that, and I think you can do it pretty dang fast. So get that done. And your Monday is just going super easy. Now, your narrative writing was a little bit harder, but your other 2 classes have been pretty easy. So get done and have some fun, and I will see you for numbers practice. We're going to learn a new family today. All right, let me see if I can cut this off.